Sales rep has completed the visual 3D design layout of the warehouse system with the selective rack. They're going to log into our QuoteBooks environment, where on the dashboard you're able to collect excellent analytics for having insight into your revenue operations. But more importantly, sales is going to have a designated place to store all configurations. By selecting the Configurations tab, it's going to populate a drop-down of all of the configurations we've completed in our warehouse application. We're going to select the most recent one, which we just visually designed and laid out together. We're going to create that quote. We're going to add a quote name, as well as an opportunity, and our system has smart search capability, so it'll auto-populate the most recent opportunity you have worked on. It's then going to build the quote and auto-populate our bill of materials. You'll see here our total warehouse solution has been line itemed out with the unit price and the selling price, which sales has the ability to manage on the fly from a mobile device. We can then drop down our total solution and see our selective rack, and by dropping down our selective rack, you can see all the different parts and components that will go into that engineering design. Continuing to scroll down, I also have an options tab where I can include additional parts or services. I'm actually going to go ahead here and add some LED lights into our system. The options tab, that will be separated on the quote from the bill of materials, but again, just a really easy way to include an upsell or cross-sell. I'm going to go ahead here and save our bill of materials. It'll auto-populate an HTML view of our quote. You'll notice there are some logos and some company language which has automatically been attached to our quote, including the description. I like to refer to it as the why buy from us. We have our summary page with our total solution, as well as the options, which we are including as an upsell, and the drawings, which we just reviewed in the warehouse application, have also been attached. From our HTML view, we have the ability to go back and edit this quote. Perhaps we want to make a quick change, whether that's pricing or additional part. We can edit the quote layout to give it the look and feel for your organization. We can email this quote directly to the end user. We can download an invoice for ERPs. We can also view our quote PDF, which is going to populate a very professional looking quote that's going to differentiate your business from the competition. You'll notice that the company logos as well as the company cover page have automatically been attached. We have the why buy from us and who it's being addressed to. On the summary, you have your total warehouse solution. And then as I continue to scroll down, you'll notice that I have my selective rack. There's also a placeholder if you wanted to include any type of stock image, which Atlato will take on that heavy lifting for our customers. We have the optional upsell with the LED headlights. We have all the drawings being attached with the title of each drawing. You can see the dimensions on the top-down view as well as the front view. As I continue to scroll down, we then have the terms and conditions. And lastly, we can also include product brochures, sales and marketing slicks that we want to present to the end user as well. Again, an easy way to differentiate from the competition. In summary, Warehouse 3D and QuoteBooks is an excellent sales enablement tool for our customers to change the market in their direction, for recruiting, for ramping up those new sales reps, giving them a sales tool that'll help them keep up with those more veteran reps, for increasing top-line revenue, eliminating manual error and internal back and forth, but then most importantly, to provide your organization with the competitive edge for achieving excellence in your revenue operations. Thanks again for your time today. We're looking forward to hearing from you.